Okay, so I'm back and I'm talking about this airsoft gun, H&K USP CO2 pistol. It is, first of all, it has, you put the CO2 in this compartment, you just unscrew it, and then you just get that and put it back in. It's 360 FPS. I got this one at Walmart for $45 and it's pretty good so far. I'm gonna use it in a war on Monday, so then we'll see how good it is. It's a non-blowback. Got barcode right here. Safety here. You put it up, you can't pull the trigger back. And that's about it. This is Mark Smith and small fry. That's it.